Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Champions League app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on language here, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. In here, can you change your language here in this list? So you click here on OK. Then here it's going to save with you here on your Champions League app. So that's all you have to do to add your language. That's all. I wish know you I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.